What you doing? Get your motor started, bud. What are you doing? Go, 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 go. No, this is yucky. That's yucky. Going round and round. In case you didn't hear that, bud, that was your mom saying she's washing the poop off of her hands. Be soft with Kitty. Are you soft with Kitty? Soft. Are you tired? You giving Leo a hug? Give Leo a hug. Here, let's put out your magic carpet. There you go. How about that? Oh, Kitty. Bless you. You gonna get cozy on your magic carpet? Get cozy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How's that feel? Is that cozy? Go, go, go! Doot, 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 doot. Did you hear a bus? Did you hear a bus? Bus. What you working on? What you working on over there? Okay, so where's the baby? Where's the baby? Is the baby in mommy's belly? Baby. Where's mommy? Is mommy upstairs? Do you want to go upstairs? Alright, let's go upstairs. Come on. Be soft with Kitty. Say goodnight, Kitty. I'm going to take a nap. Nap. Come on, nap time. That's mommy's shoe. Come on. Let's head upstairs. Up. Let's go. Come on, bud. Upstairs. Let's go get mommy. Good job. Go, go, go. Up, up, up. I still don't know what that's all about. It cracks me up. Alright. Good job, bud. Are we up? Up. Say, Mommy, I'm ready for my nap.
Hey, buddy! You are a sweet pea. Put in some laundry. Well, don't come over here. I don't have any things on.
Whoa, what's up with the fan? You gotta be careful, right? You don't want to get hurt. Ouchie. Oh, that's the other fan. That one's not plugged in. Yeah, that's not plugged in. What's outside? What's out there? They're birdies. What was that? Was that a burp? Burp. Burp. Watch your fingers. Be careful. Oh, nightlight. Nope. Nope. Here, Daddy will take it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Is it time to give Monkey a hug? You ready to give Monkey a hug? Here, come here, let me take your shirt off. Come here. Come here. Let's take your shirt off. Good boy. It'll be more cozy without this shirt. Wait, come here. 2 arms. Hold on. Come on, turn this way. Good boy. Give Daddy a hug. Daddy a hug. Oh, that's one good boy. You ready? Down? Okay. A couple more minutes and then you gotta take a nap. Do you like those? You're trying to close them? Watch your head. Remember, watch your head. Gotta be careful. Yeah, watch it. You don't want to hit it. Watch your head. You wanna go give Mommy a hug?